Struggling with the "please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed" error on Windows 11? Let's tackle this common installation hiccup together, focusing on quick fixes and key solutions. Stay tuned. Our first step is to shut it down manually. Begin by right-clicking on the Windows Start button. From the menu that pops up, choose Task Manager. This is where you can see all the apps and processes currently running on your PC. Now, scroll through the list until you find WinRAR Archiver, or the app you're trying to uninstall. Click on the app, and then hit End Task at the bottom. This will force the app to close, clearing the way for a clean uninstall. Start by searching for Control Panel in the search bar. Click to open it once you find it. Inside the Control Panel, look for Programs and click on it. Then, click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find the app you just closed. Got it? Click on it, and then press Uninstall. A prompt might pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the app. Click Yes to confirm. If it asks again, just click Yes once more. The app will begin to uninstall. Alright, we're almost done. The final step is to make sure everything runs smoothly after the uninstall. Right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager again. This time, look for Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Found it? Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your system and apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.